Welcome back to Ifiko Farm to Table TV. This is my farmhouse. This is my farmhouse. As I was clearing it this morning, some of my goats decided to join me this morning. As I was clearing, some of them were enjoying munching, they were enjoying eating green leaf. Farm life is always better with them, but please ensure their safety. When clearing it, always ensure there is no sharp object or there is no knife that is close to them. You can see the goats are enjoying, they are eating green leaf that I've already cut. Good love varieties. As I said, they are browsers. They love to eat different vegetables, different green. You can see how every one of them is munching around me. They love the owner. They like eating close to where the owner is. You can see how every one of them is some are jumping on top of the blocks. Some are enjoying the green leaf. They are eating the grass. These animals are so sensible. They know the one that is good for them and the one that is not good for them. You can see they are selecting those leaves. They go with the test, the one that has test. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe. So I was digging the ground where I want to plant grass for them. It's always good to plant grass around your farmhouse as part of their feeding. You can see how the goats are enjoying, the goats are eating. The farmhouse, they make the farm clearing to be so enticing. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe. This is Ifiko Farm to Table TV. We are doing it raw in the farm with the goats. You can see how the goats, they are so happy when you see their tail up, telling you that they are happy. But when you see their tail going down, what that means, they are sad. If you see every one of them, their tails are up, meaning they are happy. They are happy being around with me. While some are inside shouting, some are out with me, enjoying. As I used to say, exercise is part of good life. Daily exercise is good for them. This is part of exercise. Let me use it that way. It's part of exercise for every one of them. You can see I'm giving them plantain leaf now. They enjoy it. After long working with me, I gave them plantain leaf. They enjoy. They are saying, Master, thank you. You can see how happy they are. You can see how munching everyone is doing. This depicts the natural nature of goats. They love to walk around. They love to eat. They love freedom. They love freedom since I'm operating a zero grazing. They love freedom. Thank you for watching. Thank you. This is Ifiko Farm to Table TV. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe. You can see the baby goats are also enjoying. You can see every one of them are relaxing. You can see the mother goat. That is Angelina. Angelina is close to me, is eating. You can see the baby goat. You can see the blackie. They love eating with me while I was walking. Please subscribe. They are doing it raw in the farm. They are doing it raw. You can see how enjoyable and happy they are. Clearing of farmhouse is important. It helps to scare away predators, anything that may harm them Always ensure that your farmhouse is properly clean, and at this same point, it also helps the new grass to grow. It helps the new grass to germinate. Thank you. Please, this is Ifiko Farm to Table TV. Please subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.